Creating a SuiteDash invoice for clients can be a quick and easy task if you know the right steps, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. By the end, you'll know how to create a professional-looking invoice for your clients with just a few clicks. Let's dive in. First, log into your SuiteDash account and head to the Invoicing section. This is where you'll manage all your billing activities. If you haven't set up your company information yet, go ahead and add that first so your invoices look polished and complete. Adding your business name, address, and logo can make a big difference in how professional your invoices appear. Next, click on Create New Invoice. You'll be prompted to select the client you're creating the invoice for. If you don't have the client in your system yet, you can add them on the fly. Just make sure you have their correct contact details like email and billing address. Now, you'll add the line items to your invoice. For each service or product, just click Add Item, enter the description, quantity, price, and any applicable taxes. SuiteDash makes this part easy by allowing you to select from saved products or services, so you don't have to enter them manually each time. Next thing, let's talk about setting up payment terms. SuiteDash allows you to specify the due date, payment method, and even apply discounts or additional fees if needed. You can set a payment deadline, such as due upon receipt, or give your client a set number of days to pay. Be sure to double-check the section to avoid any confusion. The fourth thing to look at is customizing the look of your invoice. SuiteDash offers a variety of templates, so you can make the invoice match your brand. You can change the layout, colors, and fonts, and even add custom notes or messages to the client. This flexibility helps keep your business consistent and professional. Once you've got everything filled out, you can preview the invoice to make sure everything looks good. If it does, hit the Send button to email it directly to your client, or you can download the invoice as a PDF to send it manually. However, here's something you need to consider. While SuiteDash's invoicing features are solid, some of its other functionalities, like automation and CRM, can be a bit tricky to set up. It might work well if you're a small business with a straightforward setup, but if you're looking for a more seamless, all-in-one experience, SuiteDash might feel a bit overwhelming. Now, here's the kicker. While SuiteDash does offer a solid solution, I've got a better alternative that focuses more on simplicity, better automation, and a smoother user experience for businesses like yours. Plus, this alternative also has an extended free trial, which I'm sharing with you today. Through our link, you'll get the best deal and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, there you have it, how to create a SuiteDash invoice for clients. If you're looking for a more streamlined, user-friendly solution, stay tuned because the alternatives I'm about to share with you might be exactly what you need.